to swim. I'm on a baseball team.
Cool. Swim. Okay. Yuji's daughter is also in the swim class.
What?
His
Oh
daughter.
yeah, I forgot to tell you. I have 2 girls.
I have 2 girls
They're
too.
7 and 3. So still younger than you guys. So maybe a few years later they can join this program.
Yeah, so can you, Daniel, can you tell a little bit about, because you heard about the Python, right? So can you tell us a little bit about your programming computer background?
I've just heard of it, that's it.
Okay, and including the gaming experience. How many years of gaming experience you have?
I don't know, that's hard.
It's hard to say.
I'm not allowed to be able to.
No? Okay. And related to the computer, how long have you been owning that computer?
This computer?
Yes.
I've owned it for like a week.
A week?
I have a Chromebook, but
Okay.
it's less powerful, so.
Okay, great. Okay, so what do you do using that Chromebook?
I use my Chromebook to write essays for homework and stuff. And I also use it to play some games,
Some games, can you name 1 or 2?
just online games.
Okay, got it. Okay, good. Okay, so you had a Chromebook, and then you own a new computer, more powerful. That's probably going to help to play the better games, right? Have a better game experience for sure. Okay, great. Thank you. Welcome. So next one. So between you two. So who's going to go
I'm
first?
older than him.
Okay, so you go first.
My name is May. I am 10 years old. I'm a twin, and I play tennis.
Tennis.
Yeah,
Table tennis or tennis?
tennis.
Wow, that's tough, right?
Not really.
No? Okay. How easy for you? Not for me. But okay.
Because
So
I'm younger.
maybe. Okay. Younger usually means stronger and play the
Yeah.
sports better, right? Okay. So how about the computer? Your mom mentioned that you just got this new
I owned it for 12 hours.
12 hours. Okay, congratulations. And so prior to this, do you have any did any like programming, coding?
Not really.
No. Okay. And how about game?
We play on our dad's like 10-year-old computer at home.
Okay. What kind of game you playing?
Fortnite.
Okay.
Fortnite is kind of like a popular game right now.
Okay.
Not
Trending.
Okay. Cool. And I'm assuming because you are sister brothers, so probably it's very similar. Your laptop is 12 hours, maybe 5 minutes newer or older?
Newer.
Newer because you're younger. Okay. So, Jesse, you wanna like introduce yourself?
My name's Jesse. I don't know much about programming or coding, and I play tennis and a little basketball,
Okay.
and we play a lot of video games.
And not on a computer, right? Probably some other.
I play
Gaming.
on a iMac.
Okay. And Mac.
Yeah.
Great. Okay. Cool. So at the school, in the school, do you use a computer to do the homework and things like that? Not really.
Well, yeah, we do some homework.
Some
Yeah.
homework.
Russian
Okay.
math.
Oh, Russian math. So you went to Russian math. Okay. So you are pretty good. So all of you are going to the Russian math?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. That's making me feel very comfortable because a lot of the programming actually requires a lot of understanding of the mathematics. So going to the Russian math definitely gonna help. Okay, so that's great. So with that, Eugene, you wanna start talk like any like fun video you wanna show or gonna start talking? That's fine. So let me move this over here. So we can see. And one, two. So do you like the homework or not really? Because we don't plan to give you the homework after each of the session.
Oh,
Because
good, because I have enough homework.
I know. So we tended to spend the time, to learn stuff in the classroom and do the exercise in the classroom, and then from there we basically call the day and then come back in another week. So you have the laptop. Let me give you the Wi-Fi so that you first thing you need to do is to connect to the Wi-Fi to the network. So let me draw a picture here, right? Do you know what this is?
A rectangle?
Yes, this is a building. This is a building we are in. Okay.
Okay.
So we are probably here. Okay. This is the Boston Software Group BSG office. Okay. And this is the entrance, right? So the reason I want to tell you this is right now I'm going to give you the BSG the Wi-Fi, because the Wi-Fi works in this area, right? So this is the Wi-Fi is called a BSG 2.4G.
Oh, I see.
You see it, right? Okay.
Just press connect.
Okay, and the password is, can you guess the password?
BSG.
That's the easy guess. That's too easy, right?
Code.
Okay, that's a good guess too. So that's a lot of the actually in the computer, right? You heard about the name called a hacker, right?
Yeah.
So the hacker is trying to hack to the other system and they try to get other people's password, right? So many years ago, yeah, that works. You know, you can always get something. But even today, let me tell you, and then you can guess next time. It's called a lowercase lobster. Okay. So make your computer work. I'm sure everybody know how to do that. So connect to this Wi-Fi and let me know when you are connected.
Okay.
Easy, right?
I'm connected.
Okay, great. How about you?
Mm.
It's called a lobster.
All lowercase.
All lowercase.
Space.
No space. Does that work?
You forever. Apparently.
Yeah. You're
Yeah, I did. Why is mine this lowest?
What do you mean?
Why you guys have the same computers?
Because our dad's cheap.
What's not working? Verify and connecting.
My
Okay.
mom has a blue version of this.
How about you? Are you connected?
Yeah.
Okay, great. And then you still kind of waiting?
Yeah.
So when something like that happens, click cancel and try again. Yep. Sometimes the computer is doing something. That's okay.
Mine is slow.
Yeah.
我刚才发了你几个图的 link，
OK，发到哪了？
放在你的 email 里，
哦，email OK。
可以把它点开看。
I'm going onto the app store.
So how's that work?
No.
No? I think because the computer is very new, you know?
Checking that.
Wait, do I search my email?
Oh, no. So you connected, right? So we're waiting for May to get connected as well.
Yeah.
But so give you a little bit. So the people who is already connected. So if you're not connected, that's fine. Take your time, okay? And then you're already connected. Try
有没有
to
连接限制？是不是连的人太多了？
因为以前我们开会应该没有什么问题。
Red Sox ones. That's just.
Wait, Red Sox lost.
They lost by 5.
Wow.
They just
I'm
so
not a
hard getting
technology
crushed by the
person.
Astros.
I'm not a technology person.
Oh, that's totally fine.
My mom made me some.
That's okay.
The Red Sox lost, right?
Yeah,
What was the score?
7-2.
That sucks.
I know.
You did lose too.
Astros.
So if you're familiar with the Windows laptop, try to find a software. It's called a remote desktop. Connection for clients. So how about you? Still kind of try to connect?
I'm just restarting.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because it's new, so that's fine. We take time. Yeah. So going through this, will make your computer more powerful. Yeah. And then we are trying. What are we trying to do? We are trying to use our computer, sitting in this BSG office. The people. Have you heard about the cloud?
Yeah.
Cloud in what context? What have you heard about the cloud for?
It saves stuff.
Save stuff. Okay. So your parents probably talk about, oh, use a cloud to store like a cloud storage, right? The cloud disk or something like that.
Because we learned about in tech.
Okay. So you told me you were not a tech person, but you are.
Tech is a class that everyone has to take.
I see. So, but you got the knowledge, right? Okay. Anyway, so you know the cloud. That's great. So let's draw a cloud somewhere here. Okay. Cloud.
You okay?
Yeah. Don't worry. Yeah. And then, so the clouds really means what? It really means not here. It's somewhere. Okay, that's mean the cloud. Okay, it's a somewhere. It's a physically somewhere. We don't care physically where it is, but we know it's somewhere. That's what the cloud means. Okay, and the cloud means that I don't have to worry about in your house. Say where's my disk, right, to store my files, data, pictures, all things like that. Because if this is your house here, you say, oh, okay, your dad or mom say, okay, where's your disk? Where the disk is the kitchen, or is your your study room, or is the basement? But the cloud means that okay, I store something somewhere. I don't care exactly where it is, but I know when I need it, I can get it. That's the point, right? So inside the cloud, but for the technology people, we know exactly what's that happening inside here. For the people to use the cloud, they don't necessarily care about this. So how about your computer? Is that still kind of
It's
updating?
updating.
Yeah, that's the typical when you get a new computer. There's a
Better than using my dad's old computer.
well, absolutely. I'm not. I'm sure initially gonna be like a little bit issue, like going through the updates, things like that, because computers always kind of have the new changes made to the system. But when you're going through this for the first round, it's gonna be much easier. So for the people who already have a connection, have you located this software?
What?
The,
No.
This is called a remote desktop connection.
Is
So
it?
on the Windows, you are using the Windows, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So in the Windows, do you know how to find a software on your computer?
No.
Okay. Do you see the right this corner of your computer here? There's
Yeah.
like a little
Yeah.
magnify exactly.
There's the
type.
search bar.
Yeah, the search box there.
Try the search bar.
Yeah, and
type-
then yeah, exactly.
Oh, I see.
Yep.
I don't know the name of my computer though.
Just type in this remote
Yeah.
desktop.
Which one is the
Oh, you got it?
desktop connection? Yes.
Oh, you already got that. Okay, great. Okay, great. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is for each of you. Okay, for each of you, right? This is where we are here. So let's draw a little person here, right? So one, this is Daniel, Jesse, and me, and Eugene, right? This is the older person. How to indicate an older person? I don't know.
All lowercase?
Yeah, all lowercase. Lobster. Yeah. And then, so what are we trying to do? Like each of you have a computer in front of you, like this, right? So this is your computer here, right? So what are we going to do is we have a computer connected, right?
Yay.
Great.
Now make catching up.
Yeah. Yep. Now everybody's connected, right? Locate the software, remote desktop.
Yeah, you can search
probably good
in the
enough.
search bar because every time you open that, there's always a search bar there.
Yeah.
And you can type the word.
Just type the word remote desktop, and that's help you to find the software we need for our class. Okay. And then we have a battlefield, which I call a lab, a server, like we use to do the programming. And that's actually is not here because a lot of dependency on your laptop, how powerful it is. Like for example, your dad's laptop maybe 10 years old. But what are we trying to do is make the program much easier to learn. So we standardize the computing environment. So the way how we do it is like in the cloud, we created for each of you a more powerful computer here. because I said earlier, like typically with the people use the cloud, you don't care where it is, right? But we are learning this, so we know within the cloud here. So tell me, like when you heard about the cloud, what company is running those cloud business? Have you heard about any company name? No?
Google.
Google is one. Have you heard about Google?
Yeah.
Okay, Google actually owns a big cloud somewhere. Okay, physically it's different locations. And Microsoft, have you heard about Microsoft? This is the Windows, right? Windows is all kind of from the Microsoft, right? And then have you heard about Amazon? Yeah, so Amazon actually, your parents probably do a lot of shopping on Amazon, right? So every single day, I don't know, every single week, you get a package from Amazon delivered to your house, right? So we are going to Amazon Cloud, okay? That's the company we're gonna be using. And then on the cloud, we create each of the servers. So let me tell you where your server is, and then you can connect your computer to your server, okay? So that's what we're trying to do.
I'm still
Yeah.
on this.
Yeah, exactly. So everybody have what Daniel has.
Everybody has that window open.
Yes, great. Okay, so that's a tool. Okay, that's a tool allow you to connect from your computer to this computer. But now your next question is, where's my computer, right? So when you deliver the package, right, the post office need to know your address, like where's your street number, things like that, and deliver things, right? In order to connect to this server, this is a question mark. So we need to know the address for those servers. And in the computer, they call it IP address. Have you heard about this
Yeah.
thing? Great. Okay. So it's IP address. IP address is the address to tell you where that computer is. Okay. So now, so the question is becomes technically, if you're non-technical people, you'll say, where's my computer, right? So technically we'll say, this is your computer's IP address. Now I'm going to share with you your computers over there, your computer's IP address so that we can connect from your computer to that computer, okay? So let me show that on the screen and how to do that. So here I created a bunch of servers here. Lock me out. So this is a cloud. So on the cloud, I have a bunch of the computers here. This is each of the name here. This is a computer. Do you see your name there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So for example, Daniel. So let me copy this. Okay. This is your IP address. Put in here so that it's easy to read. Make it really big. Okay, so this is Daniel's computer. Let me copy everybody's, and then this is Jesse's. Oops, why is it so small? And then this is the main.
Where's my computer?
Hmm?
Where's my?
Your computer, because you are much older.
Oh, I see that.
You are much older, so your computer looks different. So this is Daniel's, right? This is the Jesse's, and this is the May's. Okay, and yes, so you just right here.
Oh, that's mine.
And now I got a problem here. You know what the problem is? Guess? No? How about my computer? You see the problem? What's my name?
Yours on the list.
Oh, okay. No, that's Jesse's.
Oh.
That's a problem, right? So that's fine. So we can probably say older J. So let me just copy everybody's computer over here. So mine is smaller. What are we going to do next? Is use that software we call Remote Desktop Connect, connect from your computer to that cloud computer, okay? And then this is the IP address you need to put in the fields called whatever it's called. code it in the computer.
Just
Put
put it
it here. Yeah. And then it's on the cloud, but it's your computer, so nobody else can use that. And how to prevent that
So
is
press
if
connect.
yes. And then this is an address. This is a house, right? But in order to get into the house, you need a key. You need to have the key to go into that house. Okay. So that means you need a username and a password for the computer, right? Yes. So
No password. Julian will give you a password.
yeah, I'll give you a password. Okay, I'll give you the key so that you can get to the hotel room, right? So the username is capital H, hero. Okay, that's the
username.
Okay, that's username. Okay, and the password is capital B S G. Okay, one word to 2019, and then capital N. That's the magnetic where we are. Okay, this is lowercase. So that's the password. Got it?
Wait, I didn't have to put in a username.
Let me see.
I just put the password here.
That's your no. Let's see. Because you are using your own Microsoft.
Yeah.
Let's see, show options.
Let me do this. Hold on. Let's start over to make sure you are.
Yep. So here, put in the username.
Is your name here?
Yep. Don't worry if you run into the problem. We can solve.
Yeah, you see here,
Do I press
show
save
options.
or something?
You click
Yeah,
here,
you can save.
and here it shows you need to input your username.
Or you just
Can you click cancel and
save
then
so that
check?
next time you can have that on
Yeah,
the
because
computer
see,
and
here
but
you
next
need
time
a
we may have
username.
different room, but that's okay. Yeah.
It shows
And then
non-specified. So if
you
you
need
click
to
the
set.
show
I think there's
options,
going to be some warning
and
message
here you
there,
can put
but you
the
can set
username,
that message.
which is hero.
Yeah,
And
press
then
my
you
number.
can click connect.
You remember
You can
me,
also
the
click
password will
connect.
be stored in the computer, and then next time you don't have to type in again. So yes, put on the
And it's
remember
gonna
me.
ask, it's gonna ask you for the
The
password.
identity of the remote
Yep.
computer cannot
So-
be
That's fine.
And feel free to check the remember me box, so next time you don't have to do that again.
See what happened here? You can see the guy. Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah.
next time we're
Arrow,
gonna
that's
have a
you.
different
This is
laptop.
you. This is your
Oh,
remote computer.
Then you have, then we
So
can
now
do
we
that
are
on the new
This is
laptop.
the
Yes,
end of the
no.
world.
Yes.
Okay, now we are in a totally new
I'll
world.
just do it anyways.
Okay.
Can I go back to my own account?
You mean you're back to this computer?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, here. On the top.
Casey,
Oh,
I'm
okay, okay.
confused.
Yeah.
So I just
Yes.
press it.
Yes. And then
Yes.
go back and then you can come back again. So that's how you switch from your computer and the cloud.
Cool, everybody is on.
Everybody's on?
Yes.
Yup.
Okay, great. So
You want to
before.
start some videos? So we
Yeah, sure. There's some fun video that we wanted to watch, right? Usually just send me one of those. Maybe you start from the first one.
Yeah, just click any of them.
You can load game info. Is it this one? This is music. There's no. Have you played this kind of game before?
Yeah.
This is a very easy game, right?
YouTube data.
So this is a game, just something we are trying to learn in the longer term to play. But let me see, maybe can I open from here? Yes.
Inno Mountain.
Let me just yeah. So this is the how to play the game using Python. They can play the sound. I'm just gonna show you the things we could build. Okay, we could build using the Python. And then actually, I just for the demo. Can I stop this? So just as a demo, right? So this is a kind of a lot of things can be built. The game can be built using the Python and some libraries that support the Python programming. And actually, I also created a very simple one I can show you. So we are going through some of the basic stuff like how to build those games. But this is one actually I think I find that make that work yesterday. See, this is the one. See this game? Can you see this on the screen? So this is kind of a thing that I control. See, I press my arrow. So as a player, game player, that's very simple, right? Very easy. I press down the arrow, move left, right, very simple. But when I touch this, oh, crash. Right, so it's crashed. Right, so let's start over again. So when the one round you see the score here, I win one because I'm not being in the crash. Right, two, and that block is keep on coming down. Very simple, right? So, oops, okay, I lost some of the scroll. Okay, anyway, so this is the kind of things we can do within the Python programming, but obviously we don't want to challenge ourselves too much to say, okay, let's create a game today, right? So we're gonna learn one step at a time and have some fun and learn things and move forward, okay? And at the same time, we're gonna learn things like this, to understand the concepts, to understand, okay, here we are, that's our computer, how to get connected, and some of those are common software, because I know we not necessarily become a programmer in the future, but we will be business users, or maybe leaders, some cases, and then we need to know how to use those basic stuff. This is the basic stuff from the techie standpoint of view, but not necessarily, we have to do the programming work in the future, okay? So to get started, now everybody have the connection to here. This is where we're gonna play. This is our playground. Okay, this is our playground. Each of them. And let me see. Everybody's there? Yes. Okay. So from there, Eugene, you wanna talk from here? Okay.
Yeah. So
Eugene gonna talk to you about this environment.
yeah, so everybody's right now we're on the remote desktop, and if you see on the left side of the screen,
So
should I present my
Yeah.
present my? But everybody see there's a blue icon on the left hand side of the screen.
Visual Studio Code.
Yeah, the Visual Studio Code.
Do I hit it?
Yeah, just double click to open it. Oh, cool.
Okay.
Yep. All right.
I'm not
Let me.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait,
Let me.
can I is there a way to change the
Change what?
nothing? I got it.
Okay. Yeah, so everybody have that Visual Studio. That's
No.
a tool. Okay. What?
I can't open either.
Double click.
I just did. Oh, it's loading.
Maybe it's slow during the weekends.
So this is where we can access the Python program. there are multiple ways you can connect to Python, but this is probably one of the easiest way we want to set up for you, because you don't have to do any extra installation. Because usually, if you want to use some software or if you want to play some game, you have to install the tool on your machine, right? But this is a way that, because we use the cloud, and you don't have to. Oh, I guess I open multiple windows. Yeah, so but this is a tool, like once you open that, you can always just start from here. Why is it so slow today? I don't know. All right. So is May there yet? Okay. You guys are all there, right? How about you guys? Okay, good. Okay, let's start from here. So this is the